BC with Combustion Monkey here. Thanks for coming to this video. If you are here, then you have a Nissan Titan or any other Nissan that has this issue, and you're trying to figure out how to get all the scratches out of your screen. Well, I did a lot of research, and it sounds like these screens just suck. But I noticed there was like this bluish hue. If you could see that in the right side of the screen where I didn't clean yet, it's like this bluish kind of tint. If yours has a blue tint and it doesn't look clear like the left side, then maybe you have the film that came from the factory that they never cleaned off. I've seen this before, and it definitely, I was a little bit afraid to get some spray wax on there. I didn't want to get anything too crazy. I didn't want any scratches in it. But that's the spray wax that I used, and I just used a microfiber cloth, and my gosh, it's totally different. It's like a real car now. I mean, I just kind of accepted it for the last few months that I've had this truck, thinking that it was supposed to be all scratched up. And as you can see, these aren't like, they're not fingerprints. I mean, that's like absolutely something in there. It's like a film that comes from the manufacturer. And I think Nissan's probably supposed to get rid of it, but I'm going to spray some of this wax here. And I'll just show you. I mean, it takes a little bit of effort. Gotta give it a little bit, but you can see it comes off. Buff it out. So hey, if you're giving up on your screen because you think it's totally scratched and terrible, you saw how quickly I did that little part. So I think give it a shot. I don't know what your favorite spray wax is. This one was mine. Some old man that I knew in California did a lot of car shows, and he said there's not a better spray wax to make your car look nice and shiny when you get to the show. I used it before. It was great. So I, had some left. But give it a shot. Hey, I mean, I'm surprised. I honestly thought that the screen was totally dead. So hopefully this helps you, and hopefully you can get your screen back. Let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see if it helped you.